Today I am discussing about and alternative refrigerants, also discussed last class. What are the alternative refrigerants? And today's class, what I'll discuss. You tell me some of the parts in the VCR. What is the meaning of VCR?
Vapor compression refrigerator.
Vapor compression refrigeration. It's called as refrigeration, not refrigerator. You tell me what type of refrigerant we are using. What type of refrigerants presently we are using? What type of refrigerants? Presently we are using most dependent on R134A. Remember, olden days we are using ammonia,
Carbon dioxide, freon 12 and freon 22, and sulfur dioxide, sir.
ammonia, sulfur, CO2, right? And
Freon 12 and 22.
R290, R12, R22. So these are the some of the refrigerants. So these are the some of the refrigerant we are using regularly. And what is the problem behind this one means these are all the refrigerants called as chlorofluorocarbons, called as CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. So these chlorofluorocarbons, what is the meaning of CFC? Chlorofluorocarbons. These are capable of producing some emissions. What type of emissions? Maybe the toxic in nature, odor, and high irritation problem, and health hazardous problems, and different types of gases like nitrogen or sulfur dioxide. These gases are continuously emitting into the atmosphere and depleting the ozone layer. This is the problem behind this one. And here we will coming to the R134A. R134A I am using for now almost all in automobiles. We are using this automobile, this refrigerant. What is the advantage of this R134A is it is colorless, odorless, non-toxic and non-explosive, and I mean to say zero depletion of the ozone layer. Zero depletion of the ozone layer. I mean it is called as global warming potential, GWP. GWP means global warming potential. In this is it is zero depletion of the ozone layer. I mean this is protecting the atmospheric conditions. So only this is, I mean to say, large content of R134A using for different classes. Okay, that is called as R134A. Understand? So that is the advantage of this refrigerant. That's what. And now I'll write about the VCR, how the VCR works, vapor compression refrigeration. You tell me one by one, I'll write which is compressor and which is compressor, condenser,
total valve,
expansion valve or throttle valve, and this is evaporator. Understand? So this is a cycle. This is a cycle. This is 1 to 2. This is 2 to 3, and 4 and 5. Okay. What is a 1 to 2 here? What is the process of 1 to 2? Adiabatic compression. Am I right?
yes sir.
Adiabatic compression. What is the definition of the compressor? What is the use of this compressor? And what type of compressor we are using? Understand? For example, for domestic purpose, we are using aromatic sealed compressor. This is called as aromatic sealed compressor. Aromatic sealed compressor. I mean to say, this is not comes to your exam point of view, but without understanding this thing, you can't do the derivation over there. Reverse Carnot cycle and Bell-Coleman cycle. You should understand this thing, then later on you can understand derivation. This is aromatic sealed compressor. What is the use of this compressor? Means to compressing the you tell me what type of what type of liquid I am using here. In compressor I am using a refrigerant, right? For refrigerant we have to add into the compressor. That is a process of getting the entire refrigerant into the compressor. Then later on it is rotating and compressing. The compressor blades are continuously rotating and compressing the refrigerant. It is from low pressure to high pressure. When it is in low pressure, temperature is very low. When it comes to the high pressure, temperature coming to the picture. With the high pressure, you can see here, high pressure and high temperature refrigerant coming into the condenser. You have to remember all these terms, high pressure and high temperature from the compressor. Okay. And coming to the condenser, what is the use of this condenser? Means I am circulating the water. I am circulating the water. Why we are circulating the water? Water in and water out. Why I am circulating is to remove the heat. That remove the temperature, called as heat. The process of removal of heat from the condenser is going to be happen directly, but it maintaining the same pressure. It maintaining the constant pressure. So whatever it's come from the compressor. And it removal of it takes place here and maintaining the constant pressure. Why we want pressure here? Means without pressure this refrigerant should not able to transfer toward the entire system. The circulation of the refrigerant required means we want pressure to be maintained. So now the pressure is maintained, the heat is removed here, the heat is out here and goes to the expansion valve. Understand? In expansion valve, the direct expansion of the refrigerant takes place. I mean to say, the entire refrigerant is converted to more cool. Understand? Converted to entire in terms of droplets. This entire refrigerant in the form of droplets, and then later on it is easily converting into latent heat. Latent heat in the sense, the liquid form of refrigerant to vapor form here in the evaporator. The liquid form of refrigerant into vapor form. Here also there is a removal of heat. Removal of heat and is converted into 1 minute. ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಮಧು. Need minimum 10. ಹೌದು. One literature survey is not enough. At least you need to refer 10 papers and then you have to do the literature. Okay. And from the direct expansion valve, it goes to the evaporator. It is called as latent heat. Latent heat of vaporization. What is the meaning of this latent heat of vaporization? Means the conversion or absorbing the, I mean to say latent is means change of phase. Change of phase means the liquid refrigerant to vapor form. In the vapor form only this entire refrigerant is circulating throughout the cabinet of the refrigerator, with the box of the refrigerator. Later on, this entire refrigerant, whatever the load we require, it comes and cools the entire products, and directly we are using it. There is a one device called as moisture removing device. Moisture removing filter. Moisture removing filter I am using here is also called as accumulator. It's also called as accumulator. The moisture device name is called as accumulator. I am using this accumulator and absorbing the moisture content and transferring into the compressor again. Once it is, cycle is going to be repeat. That's what the VCR works. Okay. Any doubt here? Only remember what is the use of the compressor, how the condenser works, how the expansion valve works, and how the evaporator works, and latent heat of evaporation. That is the main things here. Okay. Write the heading as, write the heading, next one, vapor absorption system. Write the heading as vapor absorption system. 1 minute.